couple of weeks on from Cyclone Gabrielle. Just having a little bit of a ride around to see how progress is going. Didn't really want to bother queuing for traffic, but as one of the first things I saw was this railway bridge out. Just to see how the repairs of that's going, because that's quite an important lifeline for the district. Oh well, that's above water now. And you see the railway line's just completely ripped off. And it's the fact that the railway line was there that saved this bridge, because it took all the brunt. There's still a little bit of structural damage to this bridge. Nice new lake. It was always sort of bogland, but it's a very nice lake now. So this is the power station that got flooded, a metre of water through the whole thing, and it's completely out. And that's why we're without power for huge amount of time until I could do some tricky stuff and redirect power from other districts and somehow set up new circuits. Road closed. Still closed the road north out of Napier, unless you're a resident or a worker of some kind. I think that guy would have let me through if I just sort of said I want to go through, but I don't want to get in the way. Yeah, still massive layer of silt underneath all the trees, and the leaves are looking all droopy on the plants. Those ones are a bit healthier. It's all looking pretty sad. The smell of rotten fruit as well. So the Navy is in, delivering supplies and equipment. One of the things they're going to be delivering is sort of makeshift bridging, so that some of the cut-off communities can have a little bit more access.
And that was pretty much all the footage I got. Been without power for over a week, so I hadn't charged all the batteries. It's a shame I couldn't get to some of the areas that were worst hit and have a look at them, but the roads are closed for a reason. The emergency services and rescue people are still working hard, and I wouldn't want to get under their feet. I'll try to do another video when the roads open a bit more and see how things have changed. Anyway, on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.